Good morning, everyone. Today, we are here to present our thoughts on Viksit Bharat. The future we dream of a developed India, it's not just a dream, it's a mission that every young Indian holds in their heart. So, let's begin our journey for the future of our nation, the India of 2047.
Technology and innovation. When we talk about development of India, technology plays a leading role. In the future, India will be known as a global hub of artificial intelligence, robotics, and space research. Our own satellite will guide our smart cities, smart transportation, and smart agriculture. From Make in India to Innovate in India, our youth will be drive the world.
Empowerment and equality. A truly developed India is one where women walk hand in hand with men in every field. From science labs to classrooms, from classrooms to parliament, women will lead with confidence. Equal opportunities, safety will be the pillar of new India because when women rise, the nation shines.
Our dream of Viksit Bharat is not far away. Together, with unity, innovation, and dedication, we will make our country most vibrant and powerful nation. Together, with pledge, with honesty, with hope, and with heart.
No country can grow if its village behind. Farmer will use smart things, gadgets, sensors, drone and weather AI system. Rural areas will become urban, a mix of rural heart, modern roads, digital connectivity, and health hospital will reach in every corner of India.
Developed India must also be a green India. In future, we will use clean energy, zero waste cities. Every citizen will plant trees, recycle materials, and protect nature. Viksit Bharat will not only shine with technology, but also breathe in clean air and pure water.
जय हिंद, जय विकसित भारत.